the shining light that we bear. We're the only ones to make her brighter, the only ones to make her better, the only ones to make Anambra shine. With our sweat and blood, every breath of our lives, we've trust in God. We will lift our homeland high. We believe in togetherness. We'll build a land of progress. Lift the spirit of Anambra. Lift the spirit of Anambra. Lift the spirit of Anambra. States we love.
We're in Omagba phase 2. This project is 2.7 kilometers and it's 7 number roads in Omagba phase 2. All of them are interconnected. The contractor to this project is BEPS International. This contract was awarded in 2018. Let's see, this roads has opened up this area. Before this time it was erosion prone. But with what we are doing here, Excellency, we visited here a number of times and the residents are happy with what we are doing. And when this road is completed, if you are going to Onitsha from Omagba phase 2, you don't need to come to the express. There's a link road, you link to Omagba phase 1 and you are in Onitsha. Thank you, Excellency, and you are welcome.
This is a thickly populated area and is an Africa catchment area. And Your Excellency, what you are doing here, you are doing a road that saved a lot of buildings are in this place because they have been submerged by erosion, but many of them are cracking before we come into this place. And when we came here, majority of this road are mechanic workshop. They are doing, so we have to haul out more than 5,000 trips of unsuitable materials here. Some of them are up to 2 meters. Before we now start what is called adequate earthwork that will last this road. Your Excellency, I would like you to have a look at the drainage you have done here, 1 meter by 1 meter deep, solid, more than the one Julius Berger would do. And I'm very happy with the residents here. None of them has complained about our job. They are surprised in what we are doing here. Your Excellency, this road, you can see, I can show you from here, Your Excellency. We are coming from here. We are coming from here now. This is the express, and from this one now, you can go into Onitsha. We are here now. This is where we are here. We came in, like, let me come. We came in from here. Then you can see that this road has canvassed all these communities here. This is the A section of this Omagba phase 2. There's another section, section 2, and we have done 2.5 kilometers of solid earthwork. We have already completed the entire drainage work with solid concrete and entrance drainages. So we have prepared the road ready for us to prepare this road for asphalt. Your Excellency, the most important thing in road work in Anambra State, the contractor must be committed. He must be agile to supervise his work. I'm here to 247. I'm here with the workers. I have the experience. We have given this area a very good job. What we have done here, we have saved lives and saved road. As if we go now, you see many of the buildings back. So yesterday, I want you to drive this road. You can see the good quality of job. So that other contractors will emulate what we have done here, sir.
You didn't let your way.
Well, we promised the people living in this area that immediately after the rainy season, we are going to attack all the link roads, 7 of them here. And you can see we have
5 extensions.
12 roads with 5 extensions. 12 roads with 5 extensions. You know, and you can see they have the best international company, you know, has done a lot of work. You can see how firm the soil is here, waiting for asphalting. So they were going to give you money to commence asphalting, so that by April we'll see whether we can take out the whole 12 roads plus the 5 other small link roads there. It will enhance commuting around here, you know, and more importantly, people going to Onitsha and the other environment will not have to pass through the expressway. So we are taking out traffic from the major expressway, which is very important. It will bring a lot of economic development to these people, a lot of economic activities, because a lot of vehicles will be passing here now to you know, avoid any hold up at the express road. So I'm happy that this work is going on. It's a surprise visit. I know I didn't tell you that I was coming, but it's here. I'm working, you know, so I can empower. APGA, 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 Diana 1 year, Kokoroko, no, my bad, the one
because all on our Maka in a got us here alone. People in Timbu, all over in the street. No, they are less press. So I'm very happy with him. And now here I can continue going to her. Because if you should name it on Mapa, it's terrible. But since I just got us, everything is now of the past. And God will bless you and bless your government. Thank you very much. Amen. Easy. And you know, Jesus, I keep on line on my back. And now we may be now. I'm not going to number of a street immediately. Whenever you a number, I won't community. Call on Obiano. I can't just happy find a metal kind of attacking to Obiano. Only if I the silly nose of police. Back another busy. I need Obiano and I say, Mama, I walk my number and check it. I have forgotten. Number
of Anambra, lift the spirit of Anambra, lift the spirit of Anambra, states we love.